So, new day, another road trip. Today we're going to, I don't know exactly how it's said, like Franchorchamps, the Spa circuit in Belgium. It's only an hour from Nurburgring, so we thought we might as well go there. And if we check the schedule the right way, it should be classic car racing this day. So pretty excited about going there. One of my favorite tracks. The fuck of my life. Fuck you. Sure. For some spa treatment, guys. Oh yes. Spa entering spa. And this is the famous Rouge. Pretty thick.
När Mårten själv får välja. Vilken jävla slammen här växlar ner.
Smidigt, Morten. Smooth. So that was a great experience seeing Spawn, having some dinner on top of the pit box. Now we're heading back for Nurburgring to do some tourist far, and we might drive or we might just do ride-alongs, but we'll see what comes out. Bye bye Belgium.
That's why you a flame. Ooh, did it by myself. No, I don't need a team. I told Famous and the fire, I might go and do that thing. There I go, man, I tell them all what's up now. Oh, now they all wanna fuss now. Don't look around in the city, when I look around, it's just us now. Man, they wanna kick it when I touch now. Why you in the D and that's us now? Talking about fam, you ain't cuz now. Calling me B, I got a buzz now. Yeah, now I got it going, I just no, it ain't just for the moment, I mean. Yeah, I bring the hammer, call me Thor. Yeah, I say my prayers, just be saying yours. You ain't know, I bet you know it now. Switching lanes, I can't slow it down. Doors were closed, but they open now. Yeah, they call and think they notice now.
So, was it fun?
Yeah, very fun.
Did you feel nauseous as me?
No.
Have you gone?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah, really good.
Yeah. So now it's Stefan's turn to go out. Stefan should be alright. He's not afraid of speed. Was it good?
Oh yes. It's a quick car.
Yes. Pretty insane.
Det är helt sjukt vad mycket sidebike den har. Helt sjukt.
Det är stört
Fan,
att
vad
man
fort
kan
det är.
köra så fort alltså. Det är...
Well, that sums up a good passenger ride. Happy little children. It's time to do something else and then go to bed because tomorrow we have a competition day. So pretty excited to get behind the steering wheel again of the CLK. So we might go and wash the car now, or what do you think?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. The Mercedes guy says yes, the Subaru guy says no, and the BMW guy says no. Fuck you. AMG, look at it. So now we're back at Rentec. We're gonna try to wash off the old girl before the competition tomorrow. I see the sheet has gone off, but hopefully it hasn't rained tonight. Nothing too bad. Be really dirty after the drift show. We might have done some launching. Might have.
Might have.
So let's go washing.